Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a very special car on our channel. It is the 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR. It's got only 10,000 miles, and I want to say a huge thank you to Sheehy Nissan of Manassas in Manassas, Virginia, and especially Christian and Drew for providing me this car. All the information will be in the right-hand corner side, so if you're looking for a car, reach out to them. Well, let's get this beast fired up. This is one of the cleanest Evolutions in the United States today, and one of the lowest miles as well. It's got only 10,000 miles. Look at these wheels. There's not a single hint of rust. There's no scratches. It's got a clear coat, and it has mods. It is tuned. It's got an intake, but I will show you all of these cool little things a little bit down the road. But let's go hop in the back. Look at this interior. Look at the condition of this Lancer. But let's go hop in the back. I'm 6'2" tall, and there's a lot of space, like for my legs, for my head, everywhere. Being 6'2", I fit perfectly in this car. Very comfy seats. I'd definitely gladly take a road trip in the back here. The materials feel incredible, super high quality everywhere. I love the seat design, very sporty. Gives me those Fast and Furious vibes. Let's check out the trunk. Let's go take a look at the trunk. Not very big. We got super nice audio back there. All right, let's check out the engine bay. The best part. Okay, I gotta get it open. There we go. Look at this engine, K&N, and this is also tuned. So for all of you JDM lovers, I'm sure you'll be able to tell me exactly what's inside of this beauty. It looks amazing. Okay, we got the hood closed. Well, let's hop into the cabin now. Yes. All right. So here, I'm greeted right away to these incredible seats. They're very sporty, but they're actually comfortable. You still have some shoulder space, and they hug you. Very good seats. We have the regular climate control, nothing automatic. Everything is manual. Glove box, cup holders, storage space. I love this trim right here. I love this aluminum carbon, whatever that's called, trim. Looks amazing. Let's do a quick wiper test. I don't think we have any washer fluid in there. Okay, let's do a quick horn test. As far as the features, we have a custom Android setup here, where we have Bluetooth, maps, and all our settings. And let's check out the backup camera. We have it here. And we also have I believe the dash cam here as well. Well, let's get started on our drive. I have no idea how much power this car is pushing right now. No clue at all. But it's really fast. I'll keep the window open for a bit so you can hear the engine some more. I love these seats. The steering feels direct, comfortable. We'll see how it does at speed, of course. On super late, so whenever you're giving it gas, there's like a 1 second delay, like 1.5 second delay, and then it goes. Whoo! My goodness gracious, does this car have good pickup. And the cool thing about having boost like this is you really get to feel that contrast. It's not immediate, so you get to feel how it kind of starts and then shoves you back in there. See, like we're going. Oh yeah. I love the ride. You don't feel any speed whatsoever. Can't feel anything. It rides perfectly. It is stiffer, but it's a good kind of stiff. Like, I definitely like it a lot. So at about 60 miles an hour, we're at almost 3,000 RPM. So don't expect any crazy efficiency from this powertrain. But I have to say, I do like this ride. For being a pure sports car, the ride is great. Visibility is excellent. I can see everything around me. You have these little attachments on the mirrors, which allow me to see everything around. It's actually crazy how scary it is to accelerate on this Lancer. Yeah, 4,500 is where the boost is really at. As far as our usual Dragy 0 to 60 tests, we're not going to do anything crazy, no hard launches. I'm going to be super gentle on this car for safety purposes, because it is a very important car for the dealership and they want me to take good care of it, so that's what I'll do. Oh, this is crazy. This is mental. Handling is incredible. It's direct, responsive. There's virtually no body roll at all. And it's loud. Like very loud in here. Forgot to mention, we also have the heated seats for the front two seats. Takes a second to kick in. Yeah, the boost really does take like a little second to get going. Once you're in the boost, you're just flying at that point. And that boost really comes on after 4,000. But throughout the test drive, I'm just going to continue driving. Really not much more to say about this Evo. It's incredible. It's giving me a lot of good emotions. I love the handling. And throughout the rest of the test drive, I just want you to enjoy the drive itself without me even adding any more commentary. And I will mention the brakes are phenomenal as well. right, so hopefully after that car, we will head out here and do our quick 0 to 60 test. No launch, nothing. We're just gonna do it normally. All right, 3, 2, 1. So I did 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. I stalled, basically, and the 1/8 mile came in 9.94.